This video is presented in the National Research Competition Lomba Penelitian Belia Nasional 2021, hosted by the Center for Young Scientists Indonesia. My name is Yosef Balka.
And my name is Listerina Asimki.
We research perception of the Pegunungan Bintang community on Pegunungan Bintang coffee as a lifestyle. The people of the Pegunungan Bintang are more likely to consume factor the coffee and have to not yet taste the deliciousness and enjoyment of the Pegunungan Bintang coffee itself. Therefore, this study aims to prove the perception of the people of the Pegunungan Bintang towards the Pegunungan Bintang coffee as a lifestyle.
Research proposes to prove the perception of the people of the Pegunungan Bintang toward the Pegunungan Bintang coffee as a lifestyle. Problem formulation. First, why do the people of the Pegunungan Bintang prefer instant coffee over Pegunungan Bintang coffee? Second, what are the advantages of Pegunungan Bintang coffee when compared in instant coffee?
Research methodology. First, method description. Second, method area determination area purposive sampling. Third, sample method non-probability sampling, accidental sampling. Fourth, method of determination of data questionnaire and interview. 5. Data analysis method, presentation, description, and tabulation. Result and analysis. Bitter taste showed data is like framework 55%. Definitive and sharp coffee aroma like framework 70%. Acidity level natural and like 42%. Served out like 60%. Viscosity like a framework 60%. The height price like 40%.
Second, result coffee as a lifestyle. Rising the spirit showed data is like very much 55%. Drinking habits before activities like 63%. Reducing sleepiness like very much 42%. Relaxing very much 57%. Become a lifestyle like 37%. A mandatory being good dislike very much 53%. Consolation, people perfect the Pegunungan Bintang coffee, but the Pegunungan Bintang community often don't consume it because access to highway, sea, and air transportation does not yet exist, and the processing method is still done traditionally.
Thank you and salam Indonesia Jaya, Genius.